excited, relaxed, content, terrified, amused, confident, delighted, furious, scared, hurt, bored, ashamed, jealous, moody, depressed. How do you feel? I'm delighted. I feel delighted. What's wrong with you? I'm depressed. Are you alright? What's the matter with you? I feel depressed. They feel amused. They feel scared. They feel furious. I feel relaxed. I feel bored. I feel hurt. He feel moody. He feel bored. He feel content. She feel furious. She feel relaxed. She feel excited. He feel ashamed. He feel confusing. He feel scared. How do you feel? I'm delighted. I feel delighted. Could you tell me why? I'm delighted because I have a new boyfriend. Congratulations. That's good to hear. Good for you. I'm proud of you. You deserve it. I see. I understand. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to hear that. That must be terrible. Terrible. You have got what you deserve. Yes, server. You right? I talked to you. What's the matter with you? I'm a little worried. Worried. Could you tell me why? I'm a little worried because I have an exam tomorrow. I see. Calm down and take a deep breath. I will. Everything will be fine. Thank you. Thank you. How do you feel right now? I'm so excited. Could you tell me why? I'm excited because I'm going to concert tomorrow. Tomorrow. Wow, that must be terrific. Who's who's the concert? Taylor Swift. Do you want the chant? Yeah, thank you. What's wrong with you? I feel depressed. Could you tell me why? I'm depressed because my best friend showed me out. Really? That must be terrible. I know. We don't talk anymore. I'm sorry to hear that.